How to request a refund on Turo. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can request a refund on Turo. So requesting a refund on Turo is not difficult. The first step is for you to log in into your Turo website just like I've done here, or launch the application. And then once you're on the website, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner of the screen, click on the profile icon that is there, and then in the drop down menu that is displayed, ensure you select account. So by selecting account, you will be brought to the accounts page. On this page, you can see different options, right? Then the next step would be for you to go back. Our major focus here is with the trips tab. So select trips in the drop down menu. So by selecting trips and I take it to the trips page, the next step is for you to choose the trip for which you want to request a refund. Okay, choose the trip for which you want to request a refund. Then on the trips details page, tap on report a problem with this trip and select the reason for your refund request. Okay, it could be vehicle condition, it could be host issues, etc. Then once you've selected the reason, you will be required to describe the issue in detail and even upload any relevant photos or documentation. And then once you've done that, tap submit to send your refund request to Turo. And that way, Turo would review the refund request and then your money will be sent back to you when everything has been resolved. So this is how you can request a refund easily on Turo. Note that it might take some time for the funds to appear in your account depending on your bank or your payment method. But definitely your refund will be processed once Turo review your request, and they might also contact you for any additional information if needed. Thank you for watching and have a good day.